So I had this position on Nifty. So I had a buy put option on this one right at the beginning itself. I was trading on 1 minute chart. So I saw this rising wedge, and as soon as the breakout happens, I did take out the buy put option. And then once it reached your previous structure, which is tested, and now I have taken some position out, and then again I re-entered over here. Now that's a pullback over here. Now from there to here, I'm trying to capture. Now this yellow line, what I'm saying is I'm trying to protect my capital, right? Now, if it breaks above this high, this candle high, then I'm going to come out of the position and then again re-enter when there is a pullback. So that's the plan on Nifty. Now, all this happened within probably in an hour's time, and already I was able to capture somewhere around 50 points in premium. So yeah, right now I'm coming out of the position, most probably if the candle closes like this. So that's my profit for now from here to here. And that's a good profit for a day. And again, if it does a pullback, I'll be re-entering for that. So we'll wait and watch for that. Okay. So this is the final result of the pattern trading. We have already reached our first target, that is the 382. Now, I forgot to record the re-entering part, so I'll walk you through it. So basically, we had this double top over here on the 15 minutes. If you go it, on the 15 minutes, we have this double top over here forming right at the structure, right? Perfect double top. We have this RSI divergence as well, right? And we have this lower low, lower close, right? And in the 1 minute or in the 5 minutes chart, you can see another pattern over here. That is a godly pattern, I guess. I don't remember. It's A to B, B to C, and CD completion somewhere over here. So it's a deep godly pattern, but again, it was showing that the price has the potential to come down from here. So again, even in the 1 minute chart, I was seeing that the market might do a reversal from here. In the 15 minutes, as soon as the candle closed, I entered immediately, and I was expecting the market to fall down till this yellow line which you're seeing. I was going for the retest of it, but you can see that the market just broke that line, and then it was just crashing down. All I was doing is trading my stop loss every candle over here, right? And you can see that even when the market was falling, um, the it is not breaking and closing above the previous candle's high. So why I'm doing that is because from here to here itself, that was somewhere around 100 rupees premium, I guess. And that's huge for an intraday trader or a scalper, for example. Uh, and I was trying to protecting that. I was trying to protect that premium. So I didn't want it to lose more of it, but eventually it worked in my favor because you can see that the candle was not broke. I immediately came out of the position once I had this higher close candle. Now, yes, I saw this in the 1 minute chart. I entered in the 1 minute chart, and I was expecting the market to test this 382 level, and that was it. And that was my actual target for today. I'm not sure where it is planning to go now, whether it is going to go and hit the 50 or 618. Honestly, I do not care because I already made my profit for today. That's more than 100 rupees premium, and that's huge if you know about options. So yeah, so pattern does work. Okay. Before when I was showing this to some of my students, they were saying that they've seen other YouTube videos saying that Nifty might break out this high this week and all those fun stuff. But again, it's all about what you're seeing in the market. Well, what I saw is I had this structure over here and this pattern. That was enough for me to say that market has the potential to come down from here. That is it. I do not care what others are saying. If you go according to what others are saying, then you will be in trouble for sure, right? So trust on what you're doing, plan your trade, and trade that plan, right? Don't don't listen to anybody else. There will be so many others saying that market can do this, that. You don't have to listen to any of those things. In fact, I tell my students that not to listen to me once the course is over. So you know how serious I am when I'm saying about that, right? Do not listen to anybody. If you know how the chart works, if you know how to read the language of the market, then you can make money. It does not mean that you need to learn about the patterns. You can learn anything. You just need to understand the structures and the way the market moves. Once you know that, then trust me, all the strategies will work. Because I'm a believer that almost all the strategy what is there in the YouTube or in the textbook or anywhere in the world, everything works. Problem is you don't have the confidence of that. And the main reason why you do not have the confidence is because you don't know how to read the chart. And uh, when I say that don't know how to read the chart, that does not mean these patterns. That does not mean any of these patterns. It is simply how the market moves, where the market is going, why the market is retesting. These are the things which you need to know. You look left, you will find the answer. And by the way, there is another pattern. If I mean, by the time it is uploaded in the YouTube, probably the pattern might get over. But this is one pattern which I'm seeing it over here. Now, again, it might end over 17, this level, 17,680. So I have no intention of taking this trade because, like I mentioned, I already made my money. Uh, now, I just don't care about this pattern right now. I'm done for the day. So, again, this is a good trade. We have the market at the structure. Again, you can expect the market to do a little bit of pullback from here. Again, the first target will be 382 and the second target will be 618. So let me draw it for you. If it reaches here, first target 382, second target at 618, right? And another thing which I wanted to say, maybe nobody will trust me on this one or believe me on this one. But again, I think there is another pattern. Let me see. I just saw it while doing it. Yeah. So there are chances that already people are saying that Nifty will not fall. That's a different case altogether. But what I'm seeing is, again, I'm seeing a different pattern. Now I'm a pattern trader. I can see lots of pattern. So this is something which I'm seeing. Okay. At 17,151. Will it reach there? Absolutely no clue. Okay. But if it reaches there, I know what I need to do. So that's the plan which I was talking about. Plan your trade and trade your plan. Good luck, guys. I'll see you in the next video.